long day takes a lot out of you. It's hard to have enough energy to do, well, anything really. But it's important to take care of yourself. Eating is one of the things that keeps you going. It's important to keep your strength up. That's why I like soup. Soups and stews are easy. Good for you. You can whip one up anywhere with whatever ingredients you have. They're great for stretching food so you can make the most of what you have when times are tough. This stew is just garlic, celery, onion, carrot, tomato, beans, potato, oil, pasta, and spices. Other things can be added to it. Right now I have cabbage and sweet potato, so in it goes. I already chopped everything. It just needs a rough chop. Add some oil and give it a minute or two so it can heat up. Put your garlic, onion, celery, carrot, and tomato in your pot and cook them until you can see through the onions a little. Stir them so they don't burn. Burned garlic can ruin food quick. Your tomatoes might be preserved this time of year since they're a summer vegetable. Fresh or canned is fine. I'm going to add some of my spices here too. I'm adding black pepper, salt, and red pepper flakes to taste. Cook this for about 5 minutes, then add your beans, potatoes, and sweet potatoes. I'm going to use pre-cooked beans because they take much less time. Use whatever variety you have on hand. Now cover it with broth or water, add rosemary, and stir. Bring it to a simmer, pop a lid on it, and let it cook for about 20 minutes or so on medium heat. Once it's almost done, add the cabbage and pasta. Simmer another 15 to 20 minutes until the pasta reaches whatever texture you like. You can also cook the pasta separately if you want to avoid it getting too soft. That hits the spot. I hope this helps you get a good meal in yourself after a long day. Good night.